Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over how you can fix issues when you look at your recording and it seems to be stuttering or it's choppy and the frames is not smooth. If this video helps you out, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. So, to get started, what you want to do is, once you have OBS Studio opened up, you want to head over to the settings. And there's two things you want to go over to see if it can fix your output. You want to head over to the output and you want to go to either streaming or recording. Now for me, I'm in streaming so that I can just show this section here. But if you head to recording, you have the same exact settings that you can transfer over as you see here. It says use stream encoder. So if I adjust it here, it'll be directly adjusted over here. So what you want to do is you want to adjust your video encoder, and you want to make sure that whether you have an NVIDIA or not, you want to have your H.264 video encoder selected. For me, it says NVIDIA, but if you don't have that, you'll still have access to possibly another kind of 264 encoder. You just want to make sure that your encoder is set properly because this can be an issue for why your frames are choppy. Another thing you want to adjust is the bit rate. And the bit rate for me currently is 10,000, but another way is that you can adjust it to by increasing it to around 30,000 to see if it'll fix it. For it, depending on your computer and your specs, a higher bit rate might be required or a lower bit rate depending on your specs. So after you've adjusted these two, you want to head over and check to see if your recording will work properly, do some tests to see if it's choppy or not, and after those things have been adjusted, make sure to click apply and then click OK, and then after it should be fixed. So I hope this video helped, and goodbye.